everyone, Nikki from NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a Tuscan chicken pasta, so let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. Okay, we're ready to start our Tuscan chicken pasta. So the first thing we've done is we've put some butter and olive oil in on the saute function and waited till it's got hot. Now we're going to add the onion and the garlic and give those a saute for a few seconds, and then we're going to add in the chicken to saute that. And our chicken is coated in our spices and seasonings. Okay, ready to put the chicken in? We'll brown that for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so our next step is we're going to put our chicken broth into the Instant Pot, and then we're going to deglaze the bottom of the pan. Again, it's very important to get all this stuck bits off the bottom. Now that we've deglazed the bottom of the Instant Pot, we're going to add our pasta. Give it a little mix, and then we're going to set the lid on. Make sure it's set to seal. And we're going to put this on pressure cook. We only need 5 minutes. Once it's done with the 5-minute pressure cook, we're going to do a quick release. So we've performed our quick release on our Tuscan chicken pasta, and we've drained off the excess liquid. You don't want very much liquid left in the pot. Now we're going to add our coconut milk, our spinach, and our sun-dried tomatoes. And give that a good stir. So we're just gonna let this sit until the spinach becomes a little bit wilted, and then it will be ready to serve. Here's our Tuscan chicken pasta. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a like, subscribe, hit the reminder bell on the notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description of the video, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.